In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add page numbers in Microsoft Word using Microsoft 365 Online. Whether you're working on a project, writing a report, or preparing a document, numbering your pages is a crucial step for organization and navigation. So without further ado, let's dive right in and learn how to number your documents seamlessly. First things first, you'll want to navigate to Free Microsoft 365 Online. This is a fantastic no-cost resource if you're looking to utilize web versions of Microsoft Office applications. Simply open your favorite web browser and type in Free Microsoft 365 Online to get started. Once you're on the official Microsoft 365 page, make sure to click on the Sign In button. If you already have a Microsoft account, you can log in using your usual credentials, but if you don't, now would be a good time to create one. Having an account not only lets you use Word Online, but also allows you to store files on OneDrive, giving you the flexibility to access your documents from virtually anywhere. After signing in, you'll want to locate and click on the Word icon. Microsoft Word is our tool of choice today for adding page numbers to your documents. The Word application will allow you to create a new document or open an existing one from your OneDrive. Now that you're in Word, click on the document where you would like to add your page numbers. It can be a new document or one that you have worked on previously. This is where all the magic is going to happen. In order to add page numbers, you need to find the Insert tab located at the top of the Word window. The Insert tab is like a one-stop shop for a variety of useful features, allowing you to add elements such as tables, pictures, and of course page numbers. Clicking on Insert will bring up a menu with a whole host of options, but for now let's remain focused on our task of numbering the pages. Look for the option labelled Page Numbers. Clicking this will give you several styles and positions to choose from. Depending on how you want your pages to look, you can add numbers to the top or bottom of the page, or even at the margins if you prefer a more unconventional layout. And that's all there is to it. You've just added page numbers in Microsoft Word with a few straightforward steps. The next time you're preparing a document, you'll know exactly how to keep everything perfectly organized and easy to navigate. Thanks for watching, and I hope you found this tutorial helpful. If you did, don't forget to like and subscribe for more videos that help make your tech life easier.